Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and I wanted to come on here right quick. I did another crochet install. One of my subscribers was asking me to do like a type of an update on this hair, what I thought of the hair. I'm not sure if I actually said what I thought of this hair when I made the video for it before, but it was for the Zury. Hold on. The Zury V8910, one pack is enough, in Go-Go Curl number 1. This was my extra pack I had, and this is the pack I just finished. I just put this here in. Okay, and I did this yesterday. The hair is very soft. It was very soft. It was very easy to take apart. That was very important because the day before that I was going to do a review on the Free Tress Water Wave. Yeah, Free Tress Water Wave. I have one pack of that left, but I didn't like the way my hair looked. I think I shouldn't have taken it apart. I'm used to taking the hair apart and applying it, and I just didn't like the way the hair looked. I wore it all day and I couldn't take it, so I took it out. But as for this, and I will have my subscriber's name at the bottom. Let me see, for this hair, yeah, she wanted to know what I thought about it. Yeah, very easy to install, very easy. I do like the curl pattern. Just the upkeep, I'll see how the upkeep is, but I do like this hair because I like a curly look. And so this is how it looks. I'm going to get closer so you guys can see the curl pattern on it. There you go, there. Okay, here. And then I'm going to turn around. Okay. And I tried to do the invisible knot method. So if the wind blows, I try not to show any braids, no braids, okay? And I try to lay down the hairline, and I use, for my edges, I use Edge Effect. That's what it's called, Edge Effect, and I get the pink bottle, the small pink bottle. And I bought this hair from, I think, Hair to Beauty is the one I got this hair from when I bought it. And I do like it. I would repurchase it again. I really, really like the curls. I like the length. I don't like the hair too long. My own hair can grow as long as it wants, but when it comes to synthetic hair, I like it to be like a medium length. So I do like this a lot. So for that subscriber, easy to install, very soft. Oh, and another thing, I did like the three knots, I guess you would call it, and then I did a knot to hold the hair, because that's another thing. That's the only con I have with the hair. The knots don't really stay, so you may have to actually do a real knot after you do your three, I guess I'd have to call that a knot too. There's the regular knot, and then there's the crochet knot you do, and you have to like do maybe 3 crochet knots and then a real knot, like you're tying a knot. And I did that throughout my whole entire head because I don't want it to come loose anywhere. And the crochet cap I used was the crochet cap with the combs in it, and I cut the combs out. This time I cut the combs out before I put it on, and then I crocheted the hair in a way to where I wouldn't have to sew the cap down. So the cap's not sewn down, it's crocheted down. So that's what I did with that. And you can see the top here, and I did invisible knots all throughout the front. From the front all the way to the crown is invisible knots, so that if I part it or whatever, you know, you can see how it looks there. I did invisible knots all in the front and the sides and the crown, and the whole back is just regular. Okay, So that's what I did with that. And I'm liking the number 1. I was thinking about another color, but look at all these other ones. Let me take this out of this box. I'm looking at some of this other here too, but I do like the Go-Go Curl. I do. Especially since this is my second installation of it, and I learned a few tricks, and I really, really do like this hair. So here goes the other ones that they have available. That's the one I have now. I wouldn't mind, I don't know you guys, what do you think? I wouldn't mind trying that one so you can see the name of it. I think those are very, very nice. And maybe even a different color. I'm thinking about playing around and trying a different color. I don't know. I'll think about it. That hair I had, and before, I really should have showed you guys first before I got frustrated and cut it out. That was what was it, TB135 or something like that, or 30, and it had like two or three different colors in it. Well, when I get another color, I'll let you guys see it. But yeah, I might try this in another color too. I really do like the curls. Look at these curls, you guys. If I can get my own hair like this, I'd be so happy. Look at that. So, to that subscriber that was asking, I do like this hair, and I'm going to keep track of how long I leave it in this time. Last time I didn't do that. This time I am. If you would like for me to come back and show you how it looks like, because I notice other other ladies here on YouTube do it, like Leah Levine. I'm so thankful for Leah Levine. I learned so much from her. If you want me to come back and show you how this looks a week from now on my head, or if it lasts 2 weeks or 3 weeks or whatever, let me know, and I will definitely do that, and I'll let you know how long it lasts on my head. So let me see, is there anything else I needed to tell you guys about this hair? Let me see, got it from Hair to Beauty, have number 1, I do like it. It is the Go-Go Curl. Yeah, and if you guys want me to do an update on it, I will. And this is a fresh installation right here. So, that's it on this video. And for my other subscriber that wanted me to do a look with my Juvia's Place, I have not forgotten you. I'll do that next, okay? So when I do my makeup look, let's say in the morning, you can get ready with me in the morning, okay? So you guys take care. You have a wonderful, blessed day, and please stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.